So I'm gonna make this quick video for you guys. A lot of people get confused with these types of questions where I ask you to graph a parabola and I don't give you like specific, where I give you details but not the actual function itself. So let's read through this, make sense of it, and then be able to graph it. It says a parabola has the x-intercepts of 2 and 6. What does that mean? That it crosses the x-axis at 2 and 6. So you could put a dot at the x value of 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 right there. So what does that mean? That means that your parabola is going to cross through these 2 points. Maybe the vertex is right here and you have that type of parabola. Maybe the vertex is way up here and you have this type of parabola. Right now, the only thing we know is that we have these 2 dots on the x-axis. Now, just based on these 2 dots, what would the axis of symmetry actually be? Even though I'm not asking for the axis of symmetry, but what is the axis of symmetry? 4, right? So it would be perfectly in between the 2 x-intercepts. So this right here would be the axis of symmetry. That'd be the equation x equals 4. Now, that's all we could derive from this first statement. Moving on, it says it has a range of y is, oh, and I apologize, this was a typo, y is less than or equal to 8. Y is less than or equal to 8. So we should know that the range involves the y value of your vertex. So technically, the y value of your vertex is at 8. In other words, this parabola doesn't exist at 9. It starts existing at 8 and below. And you know that it has to be on the axis of symmetry itself. So that means that you could conclude that this blue dot right here is the actual vertex, and that vertex would be 4, 8. Does that make sense? And now we move on to the last bit of information. It has the a value of -2. So let's just verify that this does have the a value of -2. If you had the a value of 1, your pattern would be 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. But since they're telling us that our a value is -2, you have to modify the outputs by -2. So 1 times -2 is -2, 4 times -2 is -8, 9 times -2 is -18. So the new modified pattern from that blue dot, that vertex, is going to be 1 over 2 down. Then you go back to the vertex, 2 over 8 down, back to the vertex, 3 over, and you're not going to go 18 down. This graph's not big enough. But as you can see, if you did go 1 over and 2 down, and you put a dot right there, and you did go back to the vertex and go 2 over and 8 down, you will end up at that x-intercept. So we have the graph right here. So we are able to graph that precise, perfect parabola based on the information that they gave us. What do you think? All right, great.